In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cinematic opening where bright cosmic light flares sweep across the screen and reveal your video. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Galactic Flare, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, glowing flare effects sweep across the screen, revealing the video with a futuristic and cinematic feel. Use the duration slider to control how intense the flare feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal fast and powerful. Longer duration slows it down, making the glow feel more dramatic and atmospheric. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the flare movement matches your music or visuals. And that's it. You've successfully added a galactic flare reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.